Hello my kaiju friends or kaiju warriors. My hero, the one and only Louis Durain, has released another trailer, the main trailer for Godzilla The Force of Nature Chapter 3. Official trailer 2018, coming this December. He's putting in the description, coming this December, and also the actors in this are Super Mariozilla and I'll put their names there. Because I can't read this. Tokashuna, sorry if that's wrong. That's and Super Godzilla 1974 and King Goji 2002. Also, there's another member, but I'm going to wait for you guys to find out. But anyway, let's get watching this. I wonder what this is going to be like, Louis Durain. Ooh, can't wait. Let's do this. Play. Volume up. Let's go. Play. The following preview has been created for all viewers. Louis Durain. There's 2014. There's Shin.
This Godzilla is really different from the others.
Rise Goji. There he is. 2014 again. Toy footage. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good, that is.
We have it all set up.
Looks like we just have to stay strong.
You bastard. You will pay for what you have done.
Don't worry, we got this. This Godzilla, he charges up, you see.
Yeah.
I don't know the specifics, but think of it kind of like a bat.
The music. Sorry, I'm enjoying this. The music to it. And I love the shots. Oh my god. The long-awaited chapter.
We lost so many lives that day. We can't afford to lose more.
What is that?
That's
I can't see
Godzilla.
it.
It's the music, guys.
You think these monsters deserve a chance on this planet?
I'm in it, peeps.
Get down!
The feels to it. The feels. Let them fight. Oh. Watch it on YouTube, December 2018. So, peeps. Whew. Yes, guys. I had tears of joy again. Oh, if you want to say that, hang on, sorry. Let me just pause that. Let's go on to another video. Louis Durain. He always, he makes videos for us. Sorry guys, I'm letting off fireworks here. So if you do hear fireworks, I do apologise. Louis Durain. The video, the music, the shots, the Godzillas. He makes these videos feel like proper kaijus, a kaiju movie, proper Godzilla movie. I'm sorry, but if he makes a... Lewis, out of all the Godzilla chapters I have watched and your videos, this one is your masterpiece. This one has to be your greatest work yet. The trailer, the shots, the music fitted it perfect. That's why I was crying, because, you know, the sceneries, you know, the story, the sceneries, the monsters, the characters, and the music. I'm trying to put the best words I can for this. And also, guys, yes, I am in this movie. Also, Lewis Durain, I am extremely honoured that you took me on and you let me be a part of your work. Because since I started watching your videos, I've always wanted, I wish I could do something like that with him. I wish I could collab with him. Or, you know, something like this. That. And it's come true. Sorry guys, I'm trying to put this in the best way I can. Oh Jesus, sorry. This is gonna be. Everyone's gonna put in the comment section saying I talk too much, and I do. Sorry guys, but no, Lewis Durain, this is your masterpiece. Absolutely love it. So if I had a bit of tears in the video, it was tears of joy, and I loved it. Lewis Durain, I've just dropped a like, and blooming hell, Lewis Durain, don't you ever give up making these movies. And of all the videos you've done, this is your masterpiece right here. You're the greatest, mate. Anyway, the video's coming out in this December, so it's not long away. We've only got a month away. A month. And you know what I'm gonna do? Alright, if this video gets to 30 likes, oh actually, no. If this video gets to 50 likes, I'll probably be like, maybe I will react to the full movie as it comes out. But if it gets to 100, it's going to be the first one on my channel. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you want me to watch the whole movie of it, a reaction, drop a like and drop a comment, share, and yeah. But anyway, what do you guys think of this trailer? Comment section below, what did you think of this? Do you think the same as me? And yeah, and also go check out Lewis Durain, guys. He's a legend. He's an absolute down-to-earth guy, literally. You will never meet a guy that's down to earth. He's incredible. Absolutely incredible dude. Absolutely incredible. But yeah, don't forget to drop a like. If this video gets to 50 likes, maybe I'll will do a reaction. But if it gets to 100, I'm gonna definitely react to that. But yeah. So yeah, comment section below. Don't forget to drop a like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click on that notification button so you know when I upload. And yeah, that's it. Sorry for the fireworks if you can hear it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you around. Take care, everyone. Have an amazing day. Or night. Peace, guys. Take care. Lewis Durain, you're the greatest.